In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock YouTube on Google Chrome. If YouTube suddenly won't open, looks hidden, or keeps showing errors in Chrome on your computer, don't worry. We'll walk through 3 practical fixes in order so you can get back to watching without hassle. I'll explain what each one does and how to do it safely. First, let's check for Chrome extensions that might be blocking YouTube. This is the most common cause, especially if you've installed productivity, parental control, or ad-related tools. Open Google Chrome, click in the address bar, and type Chrome/extensions. Then press Enter. You'll see a list of everything installed. Look for anything designed to block sites or control your time online, such as site blockers or focus tools. If you're not sure, you can temporarily disable an extension using its toggle or click Remove to uninstall it. Disabling is a safe test. You can always turn it back on later. After you disable or remove the suspected blocker, go back to your YouTube tab and refresh the page. If YouTube loads normally, you've found the culprit. If YouTube still won't load, the next thing to check is your VPN or Proxy. These tools route your traffic and can accidentally block or break YouTube, especially if the server is overloaded or restricted. In Chrome, open Settings from the menu, then use the search box at the top to type Proxy. Open the proxy settings from there and turn off any proxy you've set up. If you use a VPN app, disconnect it from within the app. Head back to YouTube and refresh. When the VPN or proxy is off, YouTube should appear as usual. If you're still stuck, a quick cleanup of Chrome's cache can help. Cached files are temporary copies that help sites load faster, but sometimes they cause conflicts. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+Shift+Delete to open the Clear Browsing Data window. Select cached images and files and leave other options unchecked if you don't want to remove things like history or saved passwords. Click Clear Data. When it finishes, return to your YouTube tab and reload the page to pull a fresh copy. That's it. In most cases, removing a blocking extension or turning off a VPN or proxy solves the problem right away. Clearing the cache is a reliable final touch if pages still look broken. Try these in this order, and you should have YouTube unblocked and working smoothly in Chrome.